Dizyaka.
Construction game.
Wow, look at all the different parts. What can we make out of these?
Shall we have a look? This is a frame. Axes are fixed into the frame. Wheels are attached onto the axes. On the frame, we attach the boom. On the end of the boom hangs the bucket. The driver's cab stands on the frame. In the driver's cab, there is a seat, a steering wheel, and a gearshift lever. On top of the driver's cab, there is an orange warning beacon.
Hooray! We put together a skid loader.
Yes! We managed to make the skid loader. A skid loader has grouser plates. A skid loader has a wide bucket. With it, it can lift various loads and transport them from place to place. The back of the frame of the skid loader is big and heavy. It is counterbalanced. Counterweight prevents it from tipping over when the bucket is loaded. Skid loader!
Goodbye, skid loader.
Now choose another cartoon to watch.